Everybody, welcome to the class. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the session. Just give me a minute. I'm starting the live as well on Facebook. Hi, Satya. Hi, Fahmida. Hello, Shalu. Hello, Suhas. Um, Team, could you please let me know is the live working? Hi, Mehdi. Hi, Jahnavi. Okay, is it working? Perfect. All right, welcome to the orientation session, everybody. As we know that we are meeting today to actually have an insight and in-depth understanding of how the Winsport ADC Part 1 program works. How is it going to help you with your preparation for the ADC written examination, which I'm sure most of you are looking at the March 25 course. So we have already started enrollments for the March 25 program, and we already have candidates enrolled with us for the March 25 program. Because our program works as a hybrid model of the live classes as well as on the app, and that is why we have the benefit of running online program and give you a pre-course classes access as well. So a lot of students enroll with us early, 4 weeks to 6 weeks to 8 weeks, to get the maximum benefit and start early and get a head start from the rest of the competition to get and utilize their time best. So if you're thinking to start, because the course will officially begin in October mid, but if you're thinking to start now, so then know that 4 weeks of access you are going to get when you enroll now. That will going to give you a head start and a extra preparation time with no extra cost. So I will be going through the entire course detail, what you will be covering. I will be also covering in today's session how you're going to utilize these 4 weeks when you enroll early with us. So how you're going to utilize these 4 weeks to get that extra head start. And then I'm also going to show you and get you familiarized with the learning system, the app, so that you know where everything is. So when you get enrolled, you know where to find everything. So I know in today's class, a lot of my enrolled candidates will also be there. And towards the end of the session, when I have explained the entire app, entire course details, and this 4 weeks plan, then you can go ahead and ask me questions as well if you have more questions after that. So we'll start with introducing you with the application so that you know where what is, so that you know what you will be doing in the next 4 weeks. Mhm. So as you'll be enrolling with us, you will be enrolled to the ADC Part 1 program on the application, as you can see here. And when you go to the program, it will take you to a weekly plan and all the course content will be here. So whenever you want to go and enter the app, you want to start wherever you are on the course, whichever week you are. So you can see all your curriculum here. The study plan is here. So week 1 to week 15 is provided on the application, and then week 16 to week 22 onwards is provided as a self-study plan, which will also include the revisions from the application by watching the videos. So we don't just give you the weekly plan, we also provide you with a daily study plan. So under each week when you go, you will find that even the day-to-day study plan is provided. So I have created the curriculum in a way that you can, maybe somebody has 5 hours only every day to study. And some people who are freshers, maybe do not have as many responsibilities, can also study 8 hours or more every day. And I do understand a lot of you are busy professionals, work in clinics, or have your families to look after too. So you have responsibilities. So that is why we have a 5 hour study plan and 8 hour study plan, both the situations. And both the study plans will 200% prepare you for the exam. So please mark my words, we do not prepare you 100%, but we prepare you 200% for the exam. Reason being, because we lay a strong foundation during the part 1 course so that it helps you have an immediate grasp over the part 2 preparation also, and you don't feel lost. So a solid, strong part 1 preparation, which we have heard from our own alumni in the last 8 years, is that our part 1 program prepares them enough that the part 2 preparation also feels very commanding. And then they have a huge command over the part 2 preparation times as well. So keeping that in mind, we give you an in-depth preparation, and also that doesn't help you just till exam. It goes to your part 2, and then it goes beyond that in your clinical practice as well. That's how deeply we'll prepare you for the clinical management, diagnosis, and everything that you will be doing in your day-to-day clinical practice. So we'll help you be a better practitioner as well. Along with that, confidently clear the exam in your first attempt. And that we have seen in the recent examination of September 24 as well, that a lot of new questions with new variations and new tricks had been asked in the exam. So what happens is, when you prepare the WinSpurt way, you are not threatened by any new variations, any new options, or any twists of the words. So we don't want to be the students who just mug up the questions, because there will be a lot of candidates if you get, and of course you go out and you want to get opinions of different people, right? So you will hear a lot of people say that just do the past papers and just learn the questions and see and do the questions, and then it gets repeated. Everybody knows that, the questions look familiar, but please know, even for a very smart mind, ADC is also paying attention how to play with the tricks and keywords and deviate with the history, and they know how to send you off track. So only when you have a very deep knowledge and a very sharp skill set. So please remember these two things when you're preparing for the ADC exam. You need a very deep horizontal as well as vertical knowledge base. And then you also need very sharp skill set where you can actually read the question, interpret it, and then look at the options, interpret them, know the keywords, know the rule out technique, know which one, because sometimes multiple options are correct, then know not just the ruling out, but also triaging. What comes first? And then also knowing the sequential management. So all these are crucial to answer the questions in the exam. So knowledge base and skill set. Can you repeat after me? To clear the exam, these are the two things I've emphasized yesterday also on the group. If you want 4 A's in the exam, you just don't need to mug up the past paper questions. You need an extremely well knowledge depth and an extremely well developed skill set. That's what we do over 5 months on WinSpurt. We give you an excessive knowledge base backed up by references, backed up by evidences, and we teach you the skill set to answer and completely contemplate the questions very well. So these are the two things that we'll be working on. And If you join early on, you will be given the complete week plan and a day-to-day plan for your current 4 weeks, which you will be following. And it will start with preparation of ODEL cases. It will start with preparation of therapeutic guidelines and also subject-wise basic questions and basic concepts. And you will have core quizzes on those individual subjects at the end of the week. So for the initial 8 weeks, when we are preparing each subject, you have the core quizzes on those subjects. And a very important announcement that's coming for this March 25 course is that we are also launching a weekly subject-wise SBQ quizzes. So far we had grand mock in the last batch we had, which is exactly exam style 2-day mock. But now this time, and the ninja mocks also, but this time, for the first time, we are bringing you individual subject-wise SBQ mocks. So from the beginning only, you will start get exposure to the SBQ solving practice and skill development. From the first week onwards, you will get it. So along with the core quizzes that you already have, which is conceptual quizzes, you will now get from the first week on for the 8 weeks these subject wise SBQ quizzes. And how I have created the program is you will see that it graduates with you, it evolves with you. We know that you come to us because all the 5-year subjects you want to revise, and you might be a fresher, or you might be like you did your BDS maybe 10 years ago or 15 years ago. So we know that you need to brush up the 5-year subjects. So that's why we take you one step at a time from the basics. And at the end of each week, you will get a core concept quiz. And now for the first time, you will get a subject-wise scenario-based questions mock examination every week for all the 8 subjects. That is going to be huge. And along with that, from October onwards, when the course officially start, you will also start every month's ninja mock. So by the time you're in October, you would have done maybe endo and operative. So ninja mocks will also graduate and evolve with you. How? They will take you from the subjects that you have done till then, and then more subjects will be added to them, and the difficulty level will be evolving. So how I'm making those ninja mocks is initially moderate difficulty levels, because I know it would be your first 4 weeks into the program, and then 8 weeks into the program, then 12 weeks into the program, then 16, and then 20 weeks into the program. So all those 5 months you will get 5 end of month 5 ninja mocks. Ninja mocks will actually, as the name says, will turn you into the ADC ninja by graduating you on the basis of moderate difficulty to the harder difficulty. So you get 5 ninja mocks throughout the program. So 8 subject-wise mocks and then 5 monthly ninja mocks as well. Along with that, you will also, whenever they come, you will be informed about it prior. And then you have 2 full day ADC style grand mock. So that would be again in the month of February. By the time I completely finish the advanced file, I'm going to talk about my advanced file in a while. Then you will have the full ADC style grand mock. And again, another surprise and reveal is that this time, first time ever, we are bringing an infection control guideline mock, an entire mock with the scenario-based questions, entirely new, never seen before, to give you a practice of infection control guidelines, how to apply it. So we are bringing the infection control guideline mock as well. And along with that, okay, it doesn't end here. So you know what? Winspur will never stop surprising you. And maybe, today I'm telling you all these surprises, and 2 months later, something more also comes, because that is what I have been doing in the last 8 years. I only work on improving the program better and better. With every feedback that my students give me, I take it extremely seriously, and we develop it further to give you the best tools to clear the exam. So now we are also bringing an X-ray practice test. You are going to be provided caries X-ray, periodontitis X-rays, and you will be also given other dental pathologies like periapical radiolucencies, the jaw tumors and cysts, which are ADC relevant. So a combined X-ray quiz will also be given to you, so that before you go to exam, you have practice looking at all the caries, all the periodontal conditions, and all the periapical pathology, so that in exam nothing feel alien to you. And you will also get the bite wing errors, the IOPA errors, and OPG errors as the quizzes. So along with infection control guideline mock, you're also going to get your X-ray mocks, right? So that was all about the mocks, and that's what you're going to practice everything. So when you start your weekly preparation subject-wise, at the end of the week, you will be doing all the quizzes, the core quizzes, the SBQ tests for each individual subject. Along with that, you will also be getting word for word therapeutic guideline classes, ODEL classes, and infection control guideline classes. Now, infection control guidelines, I will be giving you and swapping the older classes with the newer guideline, which I will be making with the March batch. So from October, we will start that. And once we start the course, every day, probably in 10 days or 15 days, we'll finish that. So infection control guidelines, I'm going to redo, because we are going to redo the newer edition now. Okay, so that is the plan with the infection control guideline classes as well. So you get word for word infection control guidelines taught, TG taught, and ODEL cases taught. And if you have seen my public sessions on therapeutic guideline chapters and ODEL cases, then you know that when we do the infection control guidelines, I will be teaching you every single word, explaining you how it can get asked in the exam. So again, it will be always be on your fingertips. You just have to go to the app, and maybe you can search on the webinar archive, as simple as that. And when you want to revise maybe infection control, and then you simply just go and type it ICG, and then you get all the classes there. TG is the third edition so far, Romana, so probably we'll be just doing that. I don't think the fourth edition is released yet. The latest one that is there on the app. Whenever the newest edition comes up, then only I will cover it, only when it gets applied to the exam also. So far for the March 25th, the edition that we are doing already is going to be asked in the exam. Now that is your weekly study plan. Along with this weekly study plan on the basic concepts of subject wise, there are a lot of articles that I have covered in the study plan, the CV classes and the special topics classes. So there are multiple important articles which I have also provided you in the Drive link as the subject wise folder. If you go to subject wise articles, individually under each subjects, I have provided all the articles which are important for the exam. But I understand that if you don't have enough time and you want, everything to be extremely convenient, then I have also covered the most important articles as CV classes and special topic classes. So you will always have a smarter way to do with me. Of course, with an 8-hour plan, and if you're fresher and your clinical exposure is not much, I would recommend to go through all the articles, and that's mostly to the freshers. But if you are a professional, you have a lot of clinical experience, and you're short on time and you're doing a 5-hour plan, then the CV classes and special topic classes actually cover word for word all the crucial articles and the most important articles. So that is also sorted for you. Right? Now, we also have extremely important questions, because therapeutic guidelines, everybody knows it has to be done, right? There is no doubt about it. Everybody knows therapeutic guidelines is the most crucial resource for the exam. But I make my students do that 5 times. And I know sometimes my students tell me that it's tough, but trust me, after each exam, everybody without fail in the last 8 years has come back and told me, ma'am, yes, it is needed for 5 times. After looking at the exam, I can tell you, ma'am, that if you do it 5 times, the exam becomes a cakewalk. And do we want it to be like that or not? So TG and ODEL and all the syllabus and other important sources, infection control guidelines, code of conduct, professionalism articles, these are your make and break situation and material. So doing it 5 times will make sure that all the concepts are extremely solid and at your command whenever you want to mark an answer. Even at the newest question, you will be successfully answering those. So based on that, to check your TG acumen and check the TG memorizing, we have 7 therapeutic guideline quizzes as well. So that will test your TG memory. So we have therapeutic guideline quizzes as well that will come in the pharma week when you do the pharmacological questions. Then we have from the first week onwards the ODEL lectures that are actually divided subject wise on the first 8 subject wise quizzes. So it helps you, like when you're doing the concepts of operative, you are doing ODEL cases of the operative, and the CV classes and the special topic classes are on the operative articles only. So that's how the program has been planned, that whenever you're spending 1 week, so you're doing the articles also from the same subject, ODEL lectures also on the same subjects, then the basic questions also on the same subjects, and then the quizzes also on the same subject. So because you're watching so many sources, and even the advanced file live class that I will be doing would be from the same subject. So how it is going to help you? Because it will be coherent way of learning, because you'll be doing the same topics from different resources. It will all come together beautifully and integrate into a solid knowledge base, right? Along with that, you will start your daily one-on-one doubt support with me, and all the encouragement and motivation you will get from me, that will start from now. So if you are an early bird and joining now, then you are actually getting a head start. You're starting mock practice right away. You're starting one-on-one doubt solving right away. So imagine by the time you start officially in October, majority of your momentum would have been, gained, and your one-on-one connection would also be set with me, right? So CV and the special topic classes are subject-wise aligned in your study plan. Infection control guidelines, as I said, I will be doing again based on the newest guideline. And you will have a new mock on the infection control guidelines as well. Now, as you complete your entire 8 subjects, then you will start the advanced difficult level SPQs from the Mega Master classes. So please know, I know my material gets stolen a lot. That's something that I have just come, to terms with now. But I know that the most recent and the recent explanation and answer that comes with the program, that you're never going to get, even if you get the questions and, get the files from somewhere, the explanation and the skill development that we do within the program, I can guarantee you that nobody can teach you those skills that you will learn at Winspert. That is why confidently, I don't care when people try to steal the material, when the competition gets and enrolls into my program to steal everything. I do not pay attention to all that, because I know the skill that I'll teach you that nobody can offer you. Because Mega Master classes and advanced file classes that we will do live, I am going to dissect each and every question for you to teach you how it gets variated in the exam, how if a single keyword changes, how your answer changes, how if the options changes, how the answer should change. That level of skillful preparation you will only get at Winspurt. In the exam, my students, when they go and when the questions change, when the options change, when the keywords change, they're not threatened. They tell and remind themselves that we have been prepared for these already. We have been prepared and we were told that they will change. The options will be different. The keywords will change, the history will change. And that is why there is no fear or there is no anxiety that sets in, but rather there is a courage and a confidence with which you will attempt all the questions. And trust me, those questions will be your deciding factor. If 1500 people are taking ADC examination, not all the people are going to crack the exam, even if they have all the advanced files or the MegaMaster files stolen from here or there, right? Those who will crack the exam are the ones who will know how to attempt the question confidently, even with the changed options and the changed keywords. So MegaMaster and Advanced File are those two very strong pillars, or you can say they are those two legs on which you're going to run this 2-day marathon, right? So these 2 days, these two files are the most crucial that will help you to attempt all the examination 4-section questions confidently. And then on the advanced file discussions, all the variations, all the crucial skills and references and everything that I provide you are summed up and were summed up for the last September 24 batch. I think the most important thing for the September 24 batch that we had was our power notes. The power notes were actually the compilation of all the variations, the references, the most in-depth and very coveted concepts which get applied to the questions, and they were summed up as documents of power notes. Power notes will be coming handy to you when you go for the exam, when you're 1 month away from the exam. They are available to you since the beginning as you will enroll now, so that you can start revising it as I'll start taking the advanced file. You can start revising it. So they have been divided subject wise, and you are going to see how the notes have all the questions and the explanations for the same. So these power notes will come extremely handy when you are towards the end of the course or 4 weeks before the exam. That's when you can start reviewing. So explanation of each and every question, the concept that goes, and not just that concept, above and beyond. This that to other people notes. So these mockery notes, the actual authentic power notes, which were the first introduced by Winspurt for the September batch, and it was developed over the hard work of the 4 months throughout the program when the September batch was happening. And that's why I launched over the period of days, because we were continuously working and improving it. So these are not just make do last minute just to fill the gap, and we have to present, we have to market, there has to be some notes. These are not some those kind of mockery. This is a genuine power notes, a labor of true love and hard work, which of course you will see now in the market becoming a norm. But nobody can match the accuracy, the in-depth expression of all the concepts and compilation that has gone beyond behind all this the generation of this compilation of the file. So all that hard work that had went into this, you will, when you watch this, when you read this, you will know that it completely not just prepares you for the advanced file or the past examination questions, but it also prepares you for all the unseen questions, right? So That's how the power notes will come in handy to you as well in the last 4 weeks when you, and during the examination days as well, you will see that all these notes will come in handy for immediate revision, right? So that would be the total program that you will see. If to summarize, we have the weekly study plan, and Anshul, I think your doubt also goes, and I'm going to cover that point, that my preparation is not just question based. I would say yes, majority is, because Anshul, as I told you, there are two very strong pillars: a knowledge base and the skill set. And that will go hand in hand, Anshul. That is why we are bringing the subject wise quizzes and the mock examination from the first week itself, right? So we are giving you a conceptual explanation of each subject. Yes, the format would be doing through the questions, but my CV classes and the special topic classes and the ODEL classes will be a theoretical model. And the operative thousands and past paper classes are the question model, right? So why I'm taking them hand by hand, Anshul, is the reason that you should, if I make it entirely theoretical and give you the lectures on theory, you will be so bored and you will just, drift apart. But if you are doing it along with the questions from the day one, Anshul, then you will start seeing how to apply the concepts to the question also, right? So we are doing the concepts and knowledge through the CV classes, through the special topic classes, through the therapeutic guideline, ODEL discussion, and then the thousands and past paper subject wise questions will teach you how to apply it to the questions, right? And how to know the variations of the questions. And then at the end of the week, you will practice them with the core quizzes and the SBQ quizzes. And every week, for individual subject, that's how you master every subject. And then at end of every month, whatever subjects you did in that entire month, the ninja mock will further seal your confidence. And at the end of the 5 months, the grand mock will prepare you for the giant ADC exam that awaits you, right? So Maya, we can give you multiple attempts, to be honest, but because we don't want you to waste time on taking multiple attempts, we have kept it reasonably 5 attempt each quiz. And usually students takes maybe 2 or 3 extra attempts are given, so that if there is a technical glitch and your attempt is wasted, so that's why. So 2 to 3 attempts of each quiz would be wonderful, depending upon how much you need to, completely get the good score or 95 or 100% score based on that. And the skill set development will go on as you will do therapeutic guideline quizzes, subject wise mocks, ninja mocks, grand mock, infection control guideline mock, right? And the on the live sessions of advanced classes where all the recent examination questions and SBQs I'm going to discuss, I will show you all the references. That is also a very crucial skill learning stage that will go on every week amongst us. I'm going to teach you all the skills that you will need to clear and crack the ADC exam in the first attempt with 4 A's during every week's live class, right? No, the ADC exam is not, ADC exam is not for the Australian dentists, first of all, Abita, right? ADC exam is for all the dentists who have actually never practiced in Australia, right? Is that correct? So you need to learn what things and they are doing there, and that is very well given in the resources that we do, right? And plus day-to-day clinical practice again does not exactly match how the exam asks. ADC exam is a very ideal examination. They want to know the ideal management. Clinics don't do ideal management. The examination and the theoretical approach to the part 1 exam is very different what you do day to day, right? That is why to skillfully answer all the part one questions, you need to know the concepts very well. Yes, the day-to-day clinical aspect you can start applying to your part two and the OSCE thing. But for the part one exam, the theoretical and the knowledge base, how it gets translated into the patient management, that is needed the most, right? So having a very strong knowledge base and taking the guidance from a mentor who has been training for this exam, like Winspert, I have been training for this exam for the last 8 years and with tremendous result. So the result speaks for itself that how the in-depth preparation gives my student that edge that they go into the exam in the first attempt and they get 4 A's, right? And then they also feel confident to go into the part two and crack the part two in their first attempts as well. So this is the confidence that you get from a mentor who will be with you every day, hand to hand, because you will be connected with me on my WhatsApp on a daily basis, one on one, and managing your stress along the way, helping you when you are demotivated on certain days, getting you through this chronic, tough, and a very tiring journey. You need a mentor who stands with you, who explains to you. So I do not give you just explanation and randomly talk about questions, what I believe to be true. I provide references to all the students, and that is why on our app also, when you go to the forum section, you will see that live class references sections are made. With every live class that we have, whatever I discuss, whatever concepts I tell you, I do not just say it because, I believe in them. I will provide you all the references, which are Australian Dental Journal articles, right? So what the clinician might not even be reading there in the Australia, because I have been looking and searching every day and will continue to look every day to find those articles for you, get those screenshots highlighted specifically for you. And I think you can see on my screen right now how all the individual content focusing on what you need for a particular question are provided to you. This is how page by page I provide all the scientific evidences from the Australian articles so that you know in the exam, whatever you're marking is 100% correct because ADJ confirms it, right? You can see the images where it's needed, this concept along with that where it's needed. Everything is provided. So all those subject-wise articles, if it's 150 articles, all the screenshots are also provided to you. So we try to spoon feed our candidates as much as we can. And that is why if you look at it, if it's a 160-page file, all the pages of all the classes have been given section by section so that you have everything handy. And that is why I don't believe in making my lectures extremely boring of what I ate during the day, what I'm going to do during my day. No, my lectures are going to be very straightforward. I cut to the chase straightforward. I'd love to talk about the concepts. Yes, I will cheer you up. I will motivate you when needed. I will give you tips and tricks to improve your mental health, improve your physical health, so you are in your best shape to take this exam and prepare this exam while enjoying the life that you have. Yes, I will talk about that. I'll talk about things that are relevant and matter to you for the exam, whether it's your personal growth or it's your conceptual growth, right? So that is why my lectures, you will find, they are so intense on concepts, and I will always motivate you to revise those concepts also. But the beautiful thing, Abita, is now that we have power notes. All the concepts that I'm teaching you are also getting assimilated in the power notes. So imagine if you can't have me towards the end, when you go to the exam, you will have those valuable, powerful power notes with you that you will immediately revise, and all the lecture will come flashback to you. This time it was so beautiful because what happened when students would message me what to do in the last day, ma'am, what to revise, what to revise. And earlier I used to tell them, okay, revise infection control, revise this article, revise TG. But I knew myself internally that these are such a vast, materials. How are they going to practically review everything? And when I took the exam, I was just brushing through everything, right? There was no way you can revise entire TG and ICG and code of conduct in one day or 3-4 hours. But this time, because we had power notes, I told my students what to revise. I blindly told them all, just go through power notes. And everybody sent me the reviews and feedbacks on the power notes that they was such an amazing revision tool. So that is why from day one, from week one, and till the last date of the exam, in between your exam breaks, Winspert has got your back. We have got you covered. Even 8 weeks before the officially we start the course, you join 8 weeks before us, 6 weeks before us, 7 weeks, 4 weeks, no matter. The moment you join Winspert, your evolution starts, because that from that day on we start working on you and training you for that examination day to get 4 A's and come out successful. That's the kind of evolution we like to give you. And if you join now, because we are 4 weeks still from the official start date, because officially we'll start in October, we are already running a 10% early bird discount on our program if you join now. And if you join today or tomorrow, you will get an additional 5% on that early bird discount. So if you are interested, please drop me a message on my WhatsApp or my Facebook page, wherever you want to connect. But for an additional 5% on the early bird, so it would be a total 15% off if you join today or tomorrow and book your slot. So your one-on-one doubt support will start happening with me the moment you join. Your weekly preparation will start the moment you join, and your mock practice will start the moment you join. So if you go, your access on the app will start once you enroll, and you will go into the course. There is a motivation class for you. There is also orientation session. There are also other public sessions. So there is so much content already, but you will start with the week one and then progress every week, right? So Ninja mocks and Grand mocks are from the September course now. I will be turning them off temporarily for now, because I want you to first focus on the week one, week two, week three, and then graduate. So I would not recommend to take any Ninja mocks or Grand mocks as of now, but you could take it as a baseline test also. And another surprise is that for the March course, we are making a new grand mock. So you're not going to repeat. So those who are repeating the course with us, coming from September to March, there's another surprise for you that for the March, an entirely new grand mock is coming. So if you have taken the September grand mock, which was 4 sections over the 2 days and 56 SBQs, 280 questions in this mock, exactly exam style, then please know for the March candidates, an entirely new database of entirely new 280 questions will be coming to you in your grand mock. So it keeps getting better and better, and the more we get the feedback from our students, however we can simplify the program even furthermore, Winspert will continue to strive towards that. So not even a single day we will stop listening to you. And the first 10 weeks, yes, in my program, if you have attended my any session of students, session, you will know my first 8 to 10 weeks are extremely powerful. They are like your initial, workout, the initial months of your exercising and workouts where you feel extreme burn. But please know that as you go into the weekly routine, the momentum will come. And after week 10, suddenly you will have so much accumulation and wealth of knowledge that from week 10 till week 22, it will be you who will be teaching me Trust me, on our one-on-one discussions I have had with so many of my students in the past, after week 10, they come and tell me concepts instead of asking me concepts. And that is where I truly want to take all my students at all the time, right? That when you start teaching the teacher, that's a teacher's true success. And that's where I want to be. I want to see you guys knowing so much that after week 10 you start telling me that this is what I know, this concept goes here, this is, if this variation comes in the exam, I'm going to mark this, here is this reference, here is this article jigasa, here is this concept. So this is what we are striving to become, a winspert, to become an expert at winning. And that winning doesn't stop at ADC part 1. It goes on to your part 2. It makes you a celebrated dentist in Australia, where you can enjoy a beautiful professional success and a great rapport and a reputation with your patients because of your deep knowledge base that you will acquire at Winspert. Trust me. So this journey is going to be very exciting and extremely a beautiful learning curve that you'll all experience. I'm ready to take Q&A as well if other people have questions, but I think I've covered everything. To summarize, you're going to have infection control guidelines sessions with infection control guidelines, mocks. You will get CV and special topics classes, which will cover a lot of articles, important Australian Dental Journal articles. Then there is code of conduct classes, which will teach you how to apply and mark answers in professionalism questions. Then you have therapeutic guideline classes and ODEL classes, word for word taught, all the concepts taught. You will have X-ray quizzes and you will have the practice tests on the pathologies as well as on the X-ray errors. Then we will have our subject-wise mocks, ninja mocks, and grand mocks, along with the public mocks that will also come. Then towards the end, for the 4 weeks, you will have power notes for your revisions. And then you have a weekly and a daily study plan from day one to teach you what to do, what to watch on the app, what to study for your self-study. And then on a live classes basis, we will start with the most important advanced file, which will cover all the last 10-year questions and past paper questions for the exam. And then you have from day one, one-on-one doubt support with me. I will not wait for the official course to start to get in touch with you. From day one, even in these 4 weeks, you will be absolutely daily free to reach out to me, send me your doubts, and get them clarified right away whenever you get them. So that is how the program is going to be. And then you have an additional 5% discount on the 10% early bird discount if you message me today and after and tomorrow. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me here, or we can also get connected on WhatsApp or Facebook page, wherever you feel like. If I hope if any more questions are there, I'm ready to take. Otherwise, I can end the session then, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for everybody for being such a receptive, kind, and respectful audience. It means a lot to me, and I wish you all the best. We can wait for that. I'm sure they're going to be announced soon. No, not necessary clinical experience. Absolutely not necessary. Thank you, Anshul. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Yes, Suhas. So all these notes that I showed you, the power notes, they have been divided subject-wise only in the advanced file. Rich, I didn't get it. Jump in right where? Esther, I would say continue to where you are, right? Hi, I'm glad, Senuska, you're feeling confident about it now. I hope you will now know where to figure out everything. Live classes would be announced, but they're most likely Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to announce the time and everything on the group. Apita, I announced you there's an additional discount. Please message me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to show you the amount, what it would be. Thank you, Naveen. I'm so glad you could take out time. Maheen, yes, prominent articles are further shortlisted articles for the students who have less time and are doing only the 5 hour program, or for the crash course candidates eventually. So they are furthermore the most important articles. And after doing the daily app study plan, when you watched all the classes, you will also be doing the prominent articles. And then weekly plan will show you what book to study also, or what other MCQ books you're preparing that week. All the notes will be available from the starting only. Yeah, only for the last batch because they were made along with it. So they were launched in the August Suhas. They're already on the app now. Janvi 5 hour and 8 hour plan only differ in the amount of articles and self-study that you have to do. So that is less in the 5 hour plan. Only 1 hour self-study, and for the 8 hour plan, they have 4 hours self-study. After this, Fatima, you will be asking me what I can leave. Please tell me. This is more than sufficient that you need for exam. This is 200% preparation of the exam. Shrutika, if you're short on time, absolutely yes. Zinat, in the 5 hour plan, I have given you the books and the articles that you have to do. So only 1 hour of daily self-study will help you to get through that week's self-study plan. Yes, all the books would be provided as the part of the drive link, as you can see here. All the subject-wise articles are here, and then all the important books and guidelines, everything would be provided. Maybe at least 4 to 5 hours you should be spending to study. So if you are if you're a morning person, I would say get up maybe 2 hours early, and then maybe find 3 hours in the evening. So probably when you message me your personally daily routine, then I'd be able to help you more that how you can get the time from your day. Our notes are not printable, Suzanne, because of the security reasons. They are on the single device restricted only. Thank you so much for the questions, guys. Any other questions if you think that I have missed? You asked me and it got scrolled up on the chat. Please feel free to message me on my WhatsApp and I'll be happy to take them there. Thank you so much for a wonderful, wonderful evening, guys. Thank you for being such a warm, receptive, amazing audience. Articles are also not printable, Maheen. Yes, it would be for your device. And I have covered most of the important articles as the clinical vignette classes and special topic classes. So they will help you prepare the articles yourself. And you will also learn the technique, how I have taught you the articles and highlighted those points and taught you that this will come in exam and this is how you apply this concept. So watching the CV classes and special topics will also teach you the technique to prepare the articles and how they can help you in the exam. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be now signing off and see you on the other side. Thank you.